page, or yeah. So as you can see, bam, see, amazing, right? So you can actually, if I'm correct, hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set the text duration on a video that you're editing on Canva. So before we get into the topic itself, I would like you to check out the link in the description so that you will see that there is a free trial for Canva Premium Pro, whatever you want to call it, for 30 days, and then you'll get access to all of the features that Canva has to offer, from apps to the elements here that are Pro. As you can see, you can't use this if you don't have Canva Pro. Look at how amazing that looks. And there are even videos here that are stock videos that you can use to edit videos to, like, you know, when you're trying to create motivational videos, those are gonna be useful. So go ahead and try it out. You don't have to pay for editing. So come on, 30 days, no pay, just pay after. If you go beyond 30 days, go pay. But that's up to you. You can always cancel before the deadline, you know? Okay, anyways, let's get back to the video. So how do you actually add text duration to your video that you're editing? So first of all, I have two methods. First is just through the frames here, or like, yeah, I like to call them frames or pages if you want to call it. I'm gonna go back to scroll view, thumbnail view. So here, so I'm gonna set that to duration. As you can see, it's been set to 2 seconds each, and each page has different videos. But what you can actually do something else. So yeah, this is how it would look like. So it's based off the page, right? It changes the text based on the page, but you can do something else with that as well. So what you can do is you can go to the text, then right click on the text, then go to show element timing, and you can actually adjust this to be shorter than the page, or yeah. So as you can see, bam, see, amazing, right? So you can actually, if I'm correct, add another text to the video now. So that's a good thing about going for show element timing, is because you can add another text element. You can say, yeah, another one, you know? And then you can adjust this to fill in that empty space, and then even add animations to this one like that. So if we go back to the beginning of the video, you'll see, hello, my name is Dan. Yeah, another one. Now there are two texts in one page. Isn't that amazing? That's it. That is how you can edit text timings on Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.